y'all, welcome back to my channel. All right, so boom, we're gonna take this dry to wet in about 5 minutes. First, I'm gonna start off with my elastic band. You know, you're gonna wrap them edges real tight so your wig don't move, because this is just got to be glued, held down, and we're gonna achieve this look with the first step. Also, this is just a 24-inch closure wig from Megalook hair company in the texture curly. Next, you're going to need your paddle brush. You're going to detangle this hair for dear life. Like, my hair's been up in a ponytail bun and everything else, and I haven't been detangling my hair like I should. But you're going to start from your ends and work your way all the way up to the top. Alright, y'all see how big this hair is getting? Oh my gosh, wait till y'all see the end. And I'm just brushing through this hair like it's butter. Like, this hair took no time to detangle. Like, this is some really nice curly hair. Y'all, I'm pulling this too hard. My wig is sliding. Let me fix this. This is giving me Diana Ross vibes all the way. Y'all see how big this hair is? Like, I don't think I actually wore it out this big, but this hair is really big. And then look, barely any shedding on my brush after all of that. Now I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and comb through it just like I did with my paddle brush. If y'all don't have a wide tooth comb like this, y'all, it's best to get one if you have curly hair. This comb gets really down in your hair all the way down to the nape. And y'all can see a little bit more shedding, but not so much. Altogether, it's barely any shedding that I had with this wig. Now, the first product I use is just water. You can do water and conditioner. I don't. I just do water because I do my conditioner later. But I just drench it down with water. Like, don't be scared. Just drench it down with water. Fill it up like you just wash your hair. Make sure it's all the way wet. Don't leave any parts dry, because if you leave it dry, you're gonna have an uneven look, and we don't like that. We don't do that over here, sis. So you're gonna drench your whole head in water. And you can go back in with your comb, your paddle brush, but I'm going with my fingers and I'm just raking it through. I'm just trying to spread the water throughout my hair, trying to soak all the pieces up, and just really get all the way to the bottom of my hair and to the scalp of my hair to really get it drenched. This is looking so good already, but if y'all don't go ahead and go to the next step, this is gonna frizz up in about 5 seconds. Next, you're going to take a styler mousse of your liking. I'm just using Lottie Body, and I'm going to just rub it throughout my hair. And what this does is kind of keep the form of the hair, kind of locks it, kind of mold it all together, and kind of locks in the water at the same time. Y'all, I'm not a cosmetologist. I honestly don't know what it does, but I'm kind of thinking it kind of locks everything together. Now this right here, this is the holy grail. If you ain't taking no other steps from this video, at least take this one, because this is really all you need. This Cantu coconut cream is the only thing I use for my curly hair. Like everything else, all these different products, no, I don't use different products. This is the main thing I use on my curly hair, and it gets the job done. Not only does it smell like coconuts, yeah, it smells like coconuts, but also it gives it a slight shine, and it moisturizes my hair at the same time, because it is also a leave-in conditioner. And now we're going to finish this look off with that hot comb and press down the root so it won't look poofy, and we're gonna lay this wig to the gods. And if y'all haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that now, or you can wait till the end of this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and I will be seeing y'all in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.